video yung dalawang corner. Importante ito, no? Hindi pa kontento si Freddy Roach sa ginagawa ni Manny Pacquiao. At sa corner ni Oscar De La Hoya, he sense na may problema.
Sabi ni Nacho Beristan, he's beating into the punch. Very clearly, no? Sabi niya, you need to use that right hand. Now they're not relying so much on the left. I don't know why he kept on saying, use your right hand a lot more.
Well, he's not throwing anything, really. Oscar De La Hoya is
neither the left.
Yes, neither the left. And, you know, that left hand would only be effective if that right hand is also being used, even if it is the softer punch of the two. And that left hook, I haven't seen Oscar throw that.
Walang weapon na ilalabas pa ito si Oscar De La Hoya. But now, he's starting to jab. And he's trying to, actually connecting, ano, itong si Oscar De La Hoya with that stiff jab, left jab.
But yung left hook ni Oscar De La Hoya, that is his ultimate weapon, hindi pa natin nakikita dito kasi wala siyang target eh. Gumagalaw ang target niya, kaya hindi niya matamaan, hindi niya, he can't seem, sabi nga nila, he can't seem to pull the trigger.
Talagang merong alam si Freddy Roach na hindi natin alam.
But you know, again, this is just a quick rush shot.
Combination to rock the head of the De La Hoya back.
I don't think De La Hoya expected this kind of fight from Manny Pacquiao.
And again, that left. And Oscar De La Hoya sensing trouble dito sa laban ito. Manny Pacquiao can actually take down this guy with those head shots.
It's all connecting. It's all connecting. Left and right to the head of De La Hoya. De La Hoya has no answer for any of them.
De La Hoya looks like a slow old man at this stage. You know, it might have been a problem for him to go down to 145 when his walking weight was 160. He has no reflexes.
Wala activity. No, nothing. From Oscar De La Hoya, it's been all Manny Pacquiao. And now Manny Pacquiao taking off. Dito po sa round number 5. A dominating performance by the pound-for-pound king.
Well, you know, Manny is establishing who he is in this fight. You did say he has to do something in the first 4 or 5 rounds to hurt De La Hoya, so De La Hoya will know the power of Manny Pacquiao, and he has done that since round number 1.
Alam mo, meron ako napansin dito, no? When Manny Pacquiao attacks the midsection, you see Oscar De La Hoya put a lot of emphasis on defending his midsection. Sa tingin ko, nasasaktan ni Manny Oscar. Watch out, Oscar is still dangerous. Watch him there.
Ayun ang gulang.
Nakuha na.
Nakita mo yung gulang ng Oscar De La Hoya?
Yes.
Hawak-hawak ng kanan, binabanata ng kaliwa. Ito po si Manny Pacquiao. But unfazed is Manny Pacquiao. He has seen enough. Dito po sa mga laban na ganito. Hindi nagpapa-apekto.
Well, that's just one highlight so far for De La Hoya. Connecting with 3 shots to the head.
Namidaya pa, namiipit.